If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon.
Hi, this is Anjali from DesignCafe. DesignCafe is an interior design firm based in Bangalore, and we primarily focus on interior solutions for homes. And we truly believe that every home that we deliver has to reflect upon who you really are. It should show your hobbies, your interests, and therefore it will be a home inspired by you. In this video, I'd like to take you through a project that we've completed, for which we have done what we call as cosmetic renovation, wherein we retain the carcass of the existing pieces of furniture that is already put in the house, and we create a completely different look, and we create a new theme for the entire house. And there are a couple of ways in which this can be done. It could be either by changing the loose furniture, the soft furnishings, and most importantly, the lighting. So this is a 3 BHK independent house for which the client had requested us to renovate only the master bedroom. But eventually, when the client saw the work progress and the final product, they requested us to do a renovation for the other 2 rooms and the living room as well. So come, let's have a look at it. Let's have a look at the master bedroom. So this was the first room that was given to DesignCafe for the renovation project. The client had asked us to provide maximum storage space and at the same time make it look spacious and classy. And I believe this we've achieved by finishing all the units in this room in white and wooden laminates. Onto one side you can see the openable wardrobes with curtain drawers and loft, and onto the other side you can see it's a sliding wardrobe. Here we've provided a very sleek dressing unit which has mirror onto one side and storage onto the other side. Also here you can see is the toilet door that has been camouflaged with the wardrobe shutters. A very simple and minimalistic design has been followed onto the shutters of the wardrobe, and a very similar and complementing design has been followed onto the false ceiling as well. Now we have ran a false ceiling all throughout the room, but only a portion of it has been highlighted. False ceiling can be provided in a room for 2 reasons. One is for aesthetics and another for the lighting purpose. And in this room, clearly for both reasons. A portion over here has been extended to become the TV unit, and onto the opposite side, the headboard. For a renovation project that has already existing pieces of furniture, the best way to create a continuity among spaces would be to follow similar patterns from what we have already used in other spaces. On this wall right here, we've provided a wallpaper with pattern that is complementing to what you find on the wardrobe panels. The linear pattern that is running around this room has been broken with this credenza right here with its diagonal patterns. So here we have a bed with drawer storage right below, and there you can see is a nice niche that's created right behind the headboard, and that can be used as display purpose. Here we have a wardrobe, a sliding wardrobe with loft, and one of the shutter has been completely finished in mirror. Now as for the living room, we have enhanced the aesthetics of this space by a couple of factors. Firstly, we have provided false ceiling running along the longer walls. Onto this, we have given cove lighting, spotlights and pendant lights to create character and set mood for the space. We've also provided a very subtle textured paint onto all the walls in this room. We've provided a very simple gypsum false ceiling running along the longer walls in order to make the space look longer and more spacious. You can also see the usage of blinds throughout this project. This is either due to space constraint or due to the placement of any piece of furniture right below it. Moving on to the last bedroom, which is their daughter's room and a study. Her daughter, being a budding architect, was very clear with her requirements. Maximum storage and yet trendy. And this is how we have designed her room. The highlight of this room, I would say, is this unit right behind me. This is her bed, and also that turns out to be a reading corner. Right below the bed is a couple of display storage units, which is running all around, and onto one side we have a concealed wardrobe, and right opposite that we have a bookshelf. The bed also folds up to a false ceiling to provide spotlights right above to highlight this unit. Now as for the workstation, we have followed the same color palette as the bed unit, so we have given grey and wooden laminate. We have given a couple of top lift overhead units and a couple of drawers below. Here was a pre-existing niche that we've covered up for storage unit with push to open shutters. And on this wall, we've given a glass board for the creative mind to doodle. So that brings us to the end of this video. We really hope you like the transformation we gave to this 40-year-old home. Please stay tuned to this channel for more such videos from DesignCafe. And at the meanwhile, you can have a look at our website www.designcafe.com.